Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today we are doing the unboxing of this Lamborghini Countach 25th anniversary. So this is the new casting from Mini GT and this is the number 1134. Have Lamborghini licensing over here. Nice box. Let's cut this open. I was waiting for this car from a long time. Now let's open this up. Wow. Oh wow, the classic Countach. So we have already seen the Liberty Walk Countach. We have already seen the new Countach from the Lamborghini, and Mini GT have made both extraordinary well. This is the first time we are finally seeing the real, the original, the old Countach. And here is the base. As usual, it is wide, very wide. And this is heavy actually. It's quite heavy. If I compare these two, yeah, this is heavy. Nice, I like it. So we have really good base details over here. Threaded wheels. And there is your side profile. The coolest side profile of the classic sports car. I'm digging the wheels, the classic wheels of Countach. They look super on. This is the first time Mini GT using these wheels, and I think they made these wheels especially, designed them for this Countach, and they look absolutely amazing on these. Side indicators, all these aerodynamic details. Wow. No. This was a classic car, but it looks like a car from future. Look at that back. A huge back. It's a great back. Wow. The tail light detailing, the Lamborghini logo, the exhaust. Really cool. The spoiler looks cool on this. I really like when Mini GT make such details of like this exhaust, gray exhaust. Here's your front. We have some minimal detailings over here because it's probably this is how it is in the original car. And look at that, the Lamborghini logo, the headlights. You can even see the indicators inside. The indicator bulb detailed very well. Really good work, Mini GT. And this is your top. You see that shape of the spoiler? Man, I've never seen that in any other car. I told you, this is the car from future which has been released in past. And we have, you see that? It's a windshield wiper. Very cool. We have black interior. It's a beautiful car. Really amazing. Rolls really well. Very smooth. And probably because it does have good weight to it. And because it's wide, it rolls smooth. Really smooth. Wow. I like it. Do let me know, guys, which of the Countach is your favorite out of the three. This one, the new Countach, you all know, and the Liberty Walk Countach. We'll see which one is getting the most votes. See you in the next one. Bye bye.